all features Charis has, we are interested in, because on our side, you just give us four features. One is rated by 2D time lapse. Another one is 3D, because here we survey in 3D. 3D means we survey in X, Y, and Z, or east, north, and elevation. We deal with elevation to have ground terrain. So the 3D time lapse is now helping us to generate the quantity, the executed or excavated material. We compute them from the data we collect on site. Then the video is also a bridge between us, project managers, even our senior leaders who don't use it to come on site. Because the progress on site here, it can't be only mathematically displayed. Those who are in the office use your visual images, video and photos, and more understand what we tried to explain them in numbers. Because someone who can analyze those numbers is the one who come on site every day. But those one used to work in the office use video, photos to analyze what we submitted from 2D and 3D time lapse. As a surveyor, we was having 2 or 3 challenges, but I can explain the 2 of them. The data collection was doing before, we was using traditional equipments, including the total station, even the DGPS. And based on the project is composed by 4 wetlands, which is having more than 400 hectares to be collected. So the challenge was having to use the traditional equipment is that the data collection of those more than 400 hectares using too much time to finish the project. The reason why we tried to use the drone from Charis Analytics so that you can save time, because time alone, if you waste time, waste money also. Another challenge we was having in this project, it is a project that was set where we had some industries. There was too much toilet which was not covered. Even in Nyabugogo especially, we had a wreck where it was not possible to access, physically to access. So the drone come here just to fix that issue by assessing the place which was hard to be accessible. That is the main challenge. Time wastage, even non-accessibility of the area is supposed to cover in the project. There was 2. Time saving, even access on non-accessible area. For example, that Rex, Nyabugogo Rex.